Middlesex University students, get ready for an exhilarating in-house capture the flag competition in cybersecurity and hacking, designed exclusively for you. We hope to see you all there on the 3rd of February for the MDX CTF.
Gear up for the unforgettable moment in-house CTF competition at Middlesex University Dubai. Sharpen your skills, form your teams, and get ready for the cybersecurity games. We can't wait to see you in action.
And don't worry if you are a beginner. We have challenges suitable for all skill levels.
It's a fantastic chance to step out of your comfort zone and become a cybersecurity enthusiast.
Middlesex University CTF.
Powered by Redteam Hacker Academy.
And the best part is that this competition is exclusively for Middlesex University students. It's an incredible chance to connect with our peers, share knowledge, and compete in a friendly yet challenging environment. Don't miss this chance to be at this incredible event.
Join us for Middlesex University's exclusive in-house Capture the Flag competition at Middlesex University Dubai. It's not just an event, it's a chance to showcase your skills, learn from the best, and immerse yourself in the world of cybersecurity. Register now at mdx.pentestgarage.com.